Hey, guys! Would you like to know how to create infinite zoom videos like this one? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an infinite zoom effect using MidJourney and CapCut. Follow along, and you'll have your own zoom masterpiece in no time. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to prepare some AI images. I use MidJourney version 6.1 to generate. Go to the MidJourney website and type your prompt. I use this one, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. MidJourney will generate 4 images. I will pick the one I like most and upscale it. On the right side, you need to choose Upscale Subtle. After that, the image will be upscaled and in better resolution. Then, I use the Zoom Out feature to generate another 4 images. Pick the one that looks best and upscale it again. If you don't see zoom options, you need to click on More Options and then on Zoom to have that option available. Click on 2x Zoom. I repeat this process, zooming out, selecting an image, and upscaling until I have 5 images. You can create more if you'd like, but I'll stick with 5 for this tutorial. Now we have all images ready to use, and we need to turn them into videos. You just need to open CapCut and drag and drop the images into CapCut. After that, you just need to drop images on the track. Remember to put them in order. Next, place each image in a separate track like this. We don't need the main track, so you can leave it blank. Then, you need to extend the photo duration like this. To animate the image, we need to insert keyframes. Start by selecting the first track and positioning the playhead on the first frame. Then, add the keyframe. Place the timeline on the last frame of the first track, and change the scale value to 50. What we need to do next is select the second track at the point where the first track ends. Insert keyframes for the scale setting. Move to the start and adjust the value to 200. At the final frame, adjust the value to 50. Next, add keyframes to the other tracks in the same way. At the point where the previous track ends, the value is 100. Before that, it's 200, and before that, it's 400. Double the value each time. At the end of the track, the value should be 50. For the last track, we don't need to change the value to 50 since there are no tracks following it. Let's preview it now. Almost there. However, you might have noticed a slight issue during the transition. Honestly, I'm not sure how that happened, but we can fix it. Select the first track. Go to the Mask tool and apply a rectangular mask. Then, set the size to 1900 by 1900. And change the feather to 10. Since the original image is large, we need the mask to be smaller. That's why the mask should be smaller than the original image. Repeat the same steps for the other tracks to keep everything consistent. Now go ahead and click on Preview. Problem solved. Smooth as butter. Finally, export the video and share it with your friends to show off your masterpiece. One last tip. If you want to create a zoom-in effect, select all the tracks, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Then, hit the reverse button. This will give you an infinite zoom-in effect for your video. That's a wrap on creating an infinite zoom video using MidJourney and CapCut. I hope you found it helpful and had some fun along the way. If you're curious about more AI tools and tips, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. Stay tuned for more cool content, and I'll catch you in the next video.